Okay, let's continue working with to be, sein. Remember the pronunciation, sein. So in previous lessons we learned how to say I am, ich bin. You are, du bist, that's the informal you. Are you, bist du. And now we're going to learn how to say he is. Okay? He is. Ist. Ist. Pronunciation ist. Ist. He is. Ist. He is. Ist. He is. Ist. Nice. Nett. Nice. Nett. He is nice. He or he's nice. Put it all together. Ist nett. Ist nett. He's nice. Ist nett. He's nice. Ist nett. Friendly. Freundlich. Friendly. Freundlich. Brave. Mutig. Brave. Mutig. Funny. Komisch. Funny. Komisch. Funny. Komisch. So if you can guess all the answers before I show them to you, you've mastered this. To be. Sein. He is. Ist. Nice. Nett. Friendly. Freundlich. Brave. Mutig. Funny. Komisch. Happy. FROH. So if I want to say he is nice, ist nett. He is friendly, ist freundlich. He's brave, ist mutig. He's funny, ist komisch. He's happy, ist froh. Alright, to continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.